Yo, what is up guys? This is ProdigyPro here, and today we're going to be talking about tips that will help you guys beat the Dark Tower in Prodigy. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, join my Discord server, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any epic Prodigy content. So let's just go. Alright, here we are in Prodigy, and we are going to be heading over to the Dark Tower, and we're going to be talking about our first tip. Okay, so for the first tip that you guys can use is going to be food. Food is very critical, okay? So if we go into items here, and we go all the way down, you guys can see that I've got a lot of food, and food can help you heal and get hearts while in battles, because if you lose, you lose in the Dark Tower, and you've got to restart at 5 floors down. So make sure that you use as much as food as you can, because the Dark Tower is very critical. Because it gives you 10,000 total stars. Okay, so for the next tip that we're going to be talking about, it's going to be your items. So I would really suggest that you guys use the Ice Dragon Tooth Crown and the Dragon X for the max amount of power, so you can end the battles extremely fast, and then use any heart bonus of 8 outfit, and use the Duelist Boots. That will give you the most amount of power and the most amount of hearts. Also, I would suggest if you have the Astro Relic, use that. If you don't have the Astro Relic, you guys can get it on the island. Use the powerful Fire Relic, okay? And for buddies, it doesn't matter. Alright, so for the third tip that we're talking about, it's going to be pets. Okay, so pets are very important when it comes to the Dark Tower. Alright, I would suggest that you guys have a choice if you're going to be using pets who are level up or pets with high hearts. I would honestly suggest that you guys would, I would suggest that you guys alternate. So maybe use a pet that you haven't leveled up yet, so you can level it up fast, because the Dark Tower gives a lot of hearts. And then 5 levels later, use something like a Shiver Tusk or a Mimic, so you guys can have as much hearts as possible, so you never lose any battles. Alright, so yeah, that is going to be our third tip of today. And now what we're going to be talking about, it's going to be potions. Potions are similar to food because they help you along in battles. If we go into items again and we head on down, you guys can see I've got a good amount of potions. Team, I've got a bunch of these potions, but sadly these can only be used on Homie Island. I've got a bunch of good ones. Let's see, where are they? Heroic always critical damage bonus. I've got Heroic resist all, hot coke, sorry, that's food. Rare resist all, and rare water resist, and so on. You guys can get your potions from Scientist Slimerella, which is in Lamplight Town. You guys can spend gold, or you guys can head into the Crystal Caverns and buy it from I'm blanking on his name, the Yeti dude. If we go to Crystal Caverns, what is his, Aspen Frost, and he's got a shop, and you guys can buy stuff from the shop. You guys can buy potions and you can buy food. So I would suggest buying food and potions from the Crystal Caverns. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be talking about, this is kind of obvious. I would suggest that you guys will be at the highest level you are, the highest level possible before you attempt it, because it's really easy to lose, and you guys could possibly lose gold, which if you have 0 gold, you can't do it again until you get more gold. So I would suggest being at the highest level as you possibly can. Alright, so for our last tip through the Dark Tower, this is something that I used to do. Every 5 floors, what I would do is I would leave the Dark Tower and come back. Well, this is the only way your progress will save, and I know it does cost 500 gold, but it completely repairs your health, so make sure that you do that. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope that you guys did the Dark Tower because of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys again next time. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. I'm going to see you guys later. Alright, peace out.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for